guys, welcome back to my bathroom. Guess what today is? My monthly hair coloring video. So today I am coloring my hair. I'm still trying to get over the sickness that I've had for a couple of weeks now, and I'm not feeling the best, but I'm gonna push through it and I'm gonna be okay. So anyways, today I'm gonna do something I don't know yet. This is what I got. So of course it's Arctic Fox. I have Sunset Orange and I have Virgin Pink. So I was like, let's do something with that. I previously had a variation of Girls Night, a mixture that I created that kind of looked like Girls Night, a lavender purple. If you didn't already see that video, go check it out right now. There it is, after this one. Okay, so you can check that out. I love the color that it faded to, just a really pretty, like, almost gray kind of color. So I love the silvery grayness of the faded purple, but it is time, once again, to recolor. So I have already done my roots. I have lots of root bleaching videos on my channel already, so I didn't do that this time. But I do have lots of them, so if you are interested and you do need or want to know how to bleach roots, go check that out too. It might not be there, but it's on the channel, on the playlist somewhere. You can find it. Okay. So today, I have this shirt on. I'm just gonna do it in this because I don't normally get on my shirt anyway, and this is old and I don't really care. So whatever. The next thing I'm gonna need is some gloves. I have my gloves. Alright, now that I just filmed that entire intro without the proper lighting, we're just gonna, okay. So I'm gonna start out with the orange. I'm just gonna put it in a bowl and see what it looks like, and we'll see what I wanna do with it from there. Looks good. I want it to be more on the orangey side because I love this orange color. So I am just going to go ahead and add a little bit of white conditioner. This is what I got. It doesn't matter, any cheap white conditioner or Arctic Mist. They do sell that too. So you can do that. It still looks super orange, but that's what I'm gonna go with. I think just to add a little bit of depth and difference in my hair, I'm going to go ahead and do a second bowl with the pink. Now, I do have some left over because I just ran out of Virgin Pink. I have no more. It's empty. And this is just a working with what you got thing. So I have this Manic Panic I have had for, it's been well over a year. And you might be hating me in the comments. That's so old. That's expired. Blah blah. But I don't know. It doesn't expire. I mean, I don't know. Does hair dye expire? I don't care. I mean, it would work, right? It's hair dye. Whatever. It's still there. It doesn't smell funny. So we're gonna use it. So and this is hot pink. So I'm just gonna put some of this, mix it with some white conditioner, and then I'll show you that mixture. Alright, so after a lot of mixing, this is the pink mixture. That's what I'm going to use. And I'm just going to put that on the ends so we have the orange for the rest of my hair and then a little bit of pink on the ends. We'll see how that works out. So next I need to separate my hair. I do have dark underneath and this little section, so I'm only dyeing the blonde. So I have to separate that. Alright, so now I have my gloves on. I have my hair separated. Not 100% perfect, but it works. So I'm just gonna start in the back and work my way to the front. I wish that I had some yellow for the ends because that would be like awesome. I've been wanting to try the yellow from Arctic Fox. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. This would have been the perfect look to try it with. But oh well, maybe next time. Alright, next I'm and add the pink. Wipe my hands clean. Some pink. Alright, I have my hair all done and ready. It's good. I'm going to go ahead and put a bag on my head and let that set for 5 hours, and I will see you guys back with the results. Alrighty guys, this is the final result. So it is super orange. In person it does have like a reddish kind of tint to it, but this is the result. So I am super happy with it. I don't know. I just like it a lot. I hope you guys do too. So anyways, if you do like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to, if you are not already, subscribe for more awesome videos. I do change my hair color like every month pretty much. As soon as this fades, I'll be doing it again. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like it, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.